How to install Google Play Games app in Google Play Store. First of all, launch the Google Play Store in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. Once you're here, tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner. Here, tap on the search bar and in the search bar, type in Google Play Games. Tap on Google Play Games. If you want to view all information regarding the application, you can scroll down and there you can find ratings and reviews and other information regarding the application. Now, at the top, you will find install button. Here I have already installed, so I have open in my interface, but in your case, if you have not installed it yet, then there you will find install button. So simply tap on install. Then depending upon your internet connection, that might take some time to install the application. Once the installation is complete, then you can open up the application and use the application in your mobile device. So that's the way you can install Google Play Games in Google Play Store, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.